Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Jason Rinehart with light painting brushes and Coast flashlights, and today I'm going to show you a technique that I use that I call the Peacock. So the light painting brushes tools that we're going to be using in this tutorial to create the Peacock is the 9-inch plexiglass diamond attachment, the feather attachment, the screw-on color filters which come in a variety of different colors, the portrait light, the universal connector, and a Coast TX9R 300 lumen flashlight. So I'm really excited about these new screw-on color filters by Light Painting Brushes. They come in a variety of different colors, really opens up a lot of creative possibilities in creating your images. A lot of different color combos that you can do. The neat thing about these is they work with the entire Light Painting Brushes product line, so you can attach this to any one of the tools available. Great product. So for this tutorial we're going to use the pink and we're going to use the purple. They're real simple to attach, so I'm going to take the feather attachment plexi, I'm going to take my purple screw-on filter, and it simply just screws right onto the end of the tool. Next I'm going to take a universal connector, attach it, and then last you can take your flashlight, insert it into the universal connector, and there you go. We have a nice purple light painting tool that we're going to use in this tutorial with the Peacock effect. So now that we have the tools that we're going to be using to create the Peacock effect, we need to talk about camera settings. So for this tutorial, we're going to use ISO 400 f8. As far as camera settings are concerned, it's important for you to know that just because ISO 400 f8 is an ideal shooting environment where I'm at, it might not necessarily be where you're at. So I would suggest always staying at f8. If you want to add more light into your image, increase your ISO. If you want to take light out of your image, decrease your ISO. But f8 is a great starting point for any light painting image. So now that we have our tools that we're going to be using for the Peacock technique, we have our camera settings ready, I just need a model. Oh, that's right, I have daughters. Welcome Miss Marilyn, making her tutorial debut is little Miss Marilyn. You ready to do this? Pound it. Boom! Boom! Let's do this. Stay tuned. So once your camera is started, you want to stand behind your model. I'm first using the 9-inch diamond blade attachment, the purple color screw-on filter, the universal connector, and a Coast TX9R flashlight. You want to put it in strobe mode. So starting at your model's center of her back, you want to go down and just keep doing this motion all the way in a full circle. Stopping right back at her back. So the next thing that we want to do is repeat the same exact steps that we did with the 9-inch diamond attachment. But this time I'm going to use the feathered attachment and a pink color screw-on filter. So basically we want to put it in strobe mode and repeat the same exact steps, starting at your model's back and just working your way all the way around, stopping right back at her back. So the last thing that we want to do is we want to add our model into the image. So basically I'm going to do that with the portrait light, a universal connector, and the Coast TX9R flashlight, 300 lumens. Go ahead and turn it on. Now this beam of light, what you want to do is point it towards your model, starting down low, and just work your way up and over the head, turning the light off. So now let's go ahead and run through that whole thing again in real time. So the first thing we're going to use is the 9-inch diamond attachment, the screw-on purple connector, universal connector, and a Coast TX9R flashlight. Again, I'm going to put it in strobe mode. Starting at your model's back, just work your way down all the way around, stopping right at her back. Next, what we want to do, I'm going to use the feathered attachment, the screw-on pink filter, universal connector, Coast TX9R flashlight, again in strobe mode. and repeat the same exact step. Just work your way all the way around, stopping at the back. The last thing that we want to do is take the portrait light, universal connector, Coast TX9R flashlight, and what we want to do is we want to start down low and work our way up and over the head, turning the flashlight off. You ready to see our image?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Boom.
Boom. With all the many amazing light painting products available from light painting brushes, try out the Peacock technique you saw today in this tutorial using different tool combos for results like these. I personally would like to thank each and every one of you that watched this tutorial today. Again, my name is Jason Rinehart with Heart Light Photography. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. We're constantly putting new tutorials out about light painting on the channel.
Get out there and light paint.
I wasn't done yet. Thank you very much. Now what do we say, girls?
Get out there and light paint.
Now get out there and light paint.
That more. I dare you.